In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the shift key not working on Windows 11 or 10. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying when certain keys on your keyboard aren't working. So the first thing I want you to do is, if you have another keyboard laying around, is plug that into your PC and see if that shift key works. And if that still doesn't, then it's nothing to do with the keyboard itself, because sometimes it might be a hardware issue. So all you want to do is go onto Windows and go to your control panel. Then once you're here, you want to go over to ease of access. Then from here, all you want to do is change how your keyboard works by pressing that. Then what you want to do is turn all of these different settings on. And then once you do, they're all going to be on, and then just turn them off again. Once you do that, try and use your keyboard. And if that still doesn't work, if you have a keyboard like a gaming keyboard like Razer, Wooting, SteelSeries, or anything like that, you might need a firmware update so that your keyboard functions properly. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, let us know in the comments what more tutorials you would want from this channel in the future.